Are you drowning in a sea of confusion when it comes to essential oils? How would you like to buy one essential oil blend that does everything that you need? Hi, I'm Rolling Thunder with Pirate's Secret Essential Oils, and I'm here to tell you that our blend of essential oils is the solution you've been looking for, matey. We wanted your decision to be easy for you. Our legendary recipe of herbs and spices was derived by the pirates and thieves in the 14th century during the Great Plague. Oh, me shivery timbers. Pirate's Secret is an organic approach to your problems and is helpful for many symptoms that you and your family may have to deal with. Let's be done with the decision making for you and have an essential oil you need for a headache, an acne, a mosquito bite or repellent, or how to organically deal with a skin fungus among us, because Pirate's Secret is multifunctioning. And it comes in 5 different strength levels, from mild to strong skincare to super strong for diffusing and aromatherapy. Oh, matey, continue to practice good emotional health, physical health, and spiritual health with Pirate's Secret Essential Oils, now available to you in 10 Northern California locations or at sea. And find us at piratesecret.com.